Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to fix 100% disk usage on Windows. Let's go into my computer, right click on the disk and click Properties. And here we need to click on Tools and Optimization. There. And make sure to enable optimization. There. You can basically turn on the daily schedule, yes, and click OK. You can also choose which disks will be optimized. That's the first thing. Second, right-click, click Task Manager. And let's see what's loading your disk first. You might have some background app loading your disk, or something is downloading. These apps very often load the disk, so just right-click and close them. You can also reset or update the SATA drivers for your device. Right-click, go to Start, click on the Device Manager. There. And here we can find the ATA and ATAPI controllers. Click on it. There. Right-click, Properties, Update Driver, search on your computer. Yes, select it. Click Next, install the driver, and restart your computer. There. And lastly, you can disable notifications. Go to Start, Settings, then click on System, Notifications. There. And disable notifications for apps you don't need. So yeah, go ahead and disable them. There, that's it. This was Valor. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you.